Okay, Happy New Year and happy Saturday to everybody. Saturday afternoon here out in the shop. I just got my Yamaha Grizzly Outdoor South, I guess is the name of the company. I got these on eBay. These are stick stoppers, is what they're called. And they came with all the hardware, which is amazing. I don't know if you've bought any hardware lately, but it's just getting crazy. You buy anything metal, is ridiculously expensive. Anyway, down here is where they go. And down a little bit. That's the left-hand side. See that little black plastic piece that's 4x4? That's the factory Yamaha CV boot protector, so it doesn't tear your boots out. And it's got one on the outside also. And this side here never had one. And I've been looking for these for over a year. And those little plastic ones on eBay used are generally anywhere from $20 to $29 a piece used for a little hunk of plastic, so that wasn't happening. And I keep hoping to run around to find some metal to make these, but I sold my metal brake. So for $35 delivered with the hardware, I mean, that was a no-brainer. Those were like $100 if you bought them new. They were new, but they were in a different box, and they were just somebody had them and sold them, so I jumped on them. All right, I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to start to install these. It looks pretty straightforward. So I'm going to go get the jack and jack her up. I'll be back. Okay, there's side one installed. Super easy, piece of cake. That one took me about 15 minutes. And I think the most of that time was spent gathering my tools up. You need to drill out one of the factory holes. I just used a 3/8 drill bit. And that's for this bolt here that's hanging. And then these U-bolts just drop right over your A-arms. I mean, it couldn't be simpler. There's nothing to it. So, no instructions needed. You just need to drill out. I'll show you. Oh, I gotta get it. Oh my God. These old bones don't like to move. You gotta drill this one hole out right here. Hope I'm catching that. So I'm gonna drill that out and put side two on. I'll be back. Okay, there it is, finished product. As the stick stoppers have been installed. The only issue I had to give that one right there like one good shot with my boot, bend it in just a teeny bit to clear the rim. And that side there, perfect. And that little hunk of junk there is the factory plastic one with one little teeny bolt holding it on. So that's it. And I don't know if I mentioned this already, but this is probably my most used tool I have here. This goes up and down my driveway at least twice a day, and that's almost a quarter of a mile round trip each way over those big rocks. So there's no way in hell I'm walking that far on those big rocks anyway. So to keep this thing up and running, that was a very worthy investment. $35, that was a score. So there it is, Grizzly stick stoppers have been installed. And the hardest part of this whole thing was getting up and down off of that creeper. So there it is. Total deal, about a half hour. Piece of cake. All right, that's it. Over and out.